So here's a really good coconut beef curry recipe that I found on keviniscooking.com. Instead of regular potatoes, I'm using sweet potatoes. First step here, we're going to chop up beef chuck. That's what he calls for. Beef chuck, maybe 2 pounds, 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. Cube it. I'm gonna dice up some onions, a head of cauliflower, a head, is that what it's called? Of cauliflower. Yeah, maybe 3 carrots. We're gonna brown the beef so that it doesn't cook all the way through, just get the browning. Then we're gonna use coconut oil, butter substitute, and saute the onions. Put some ginger in there. And then we're gonna add some curry powder. Now you could use curry powder. I just recently found at my Asian supermarket like the curry paste, and that's way more legit, and it gives it a much better flavor. So I think that the next time I do this, I'm just gonna go straight to the curry paste. Just do like 6 tablespoons of the curry powder. That works too. Bay leaves. Then we're gonna add in 2 cans of this unsweetened coconut milk. Anyway, we're going to put all of the vegetables in. And I didn't film this. I probably should have filmed it. I don't know why I didn't film it. But 2 pounds of chopped up sweet potatoes. You can peel them if you want. This is where the weighing comes in. I mean, sweet potatoes can vary in size. That's around like 3 normal size sweet potatoes, I think. So once all the vegetables are in, it's going to be pretty full in the Instant Pot. Ingredients don't need to be submerged in liquid for this recipe. And then we just use the meat stew function, which I've never used before, but it turns out it works pretty well. Damn. Pretty thick. I think the sweet potatoes like dissolve. Really coconutty. It's thick too. So that's the recipe for today. I've just done a bunch of fermenting, which is what this channel is really about. Well, this channel is more about having a healthy microbiome, but I think the base of that is fermenting. I did a kombucha with this cool crock that I'm looking forward to showing you guys, but that's all I have for today. Okay, bye.